Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fellow. Today i-unbox natin itong nabili kong EDC pouch sa online store ng Decathlon. Solognac vertical Moly EDC size small X-axis EDC pouch. Ang price dito is 670 SRP. Yan po. Isang araw lang yung shipment ng Decathlon store. So ang ginawa ko is click and collect. Tapos yung payment through GCash. Walang extra charges. So simulan na natin guys. I-unbox na natin para makita nyo itong Solognac EDC pouch. Papakita ko lang yung packaging.com. Sustainable packaging for a circular world made in the Philippines. Hindi ako plastic. I am not plastic. This is packaging is plant-based made from cassava root and 100% please dispose responsibly and compose or dissolve in the hot water minimum 60 Celsius. So matidissolve siya pagka ilalagay lang natin sa water 60 Celsius. After use, compost the dissolved materials or pour onto soil. So magiging soil siya pagka pwede na natin siya itapon as a way to support microorganisms and return the materials back to nature. Ito yung packaging ng Decathlon. Baksan natin. Decathlon. Tsaka yung packaging na ginamit ang Decathlon, bango. Amoy bago talaga. Solognac resistant gear. Medyo may konti ka na sobra yung tahi. Ito na yung Solognac pouch natin. Solognac resistant gear. Yan, size small vertical. Yung zipper niya, dalawa. Yan yung bag niya guys. Dalawang side pocket. May zipper yung isa wala. So marami kang may nalagay ng mga EDC gear dito or tools, gadgets. Tapos dito may foam siya dito konti para hindi mabasag yung mga gadget natin. Direct contact doon sa gear natin sa loob pagka nalaglag. Tapos dito dalawa yung lock nya, push button dito, tsaka itong velcro. Ito yung name tag nya, made in China. Yan, nakalagay made in China yung nakalagay dito. Different country, different language. Tapos ginawa siya 2024 July. Yan yung RFID nya. X-axis pouch S. Ito yung barcode. X-axis pouch small. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, please subscribe and like. And see you in my next video for full review dito sa loob ng EDC pouch natin. Abangan guys. Peace.